I'm Cara, and this is a yoga class for when you need a little bit of a break or just a bit of time to reset. So when you're ready, we'll start at the back of your mat or wherever you are. And we're just going to start in child's pose, and we're going to take a wide-kneed child's pose. So knees are mat width apart or even slightly wider or slightly narrower, however feels comfortable for you. Toes can touch together. And then you're just going to ease the hands forward and either rest the forehead down to the mat, or you can fold the arms over and rest your forehead to your arms. You're just really feeling the hips heavy, hanging back over your heels as you rest your forehead down. Maybe close your eyes. Feel the back of the neck lengthen and relax. And you're just bringing your attention into your breath. So easy breathing in and out through your nose. Feel that breath travel right the way down into your belly. And feeling the belly move out and in with that breath. And then we're going to slowly rise up in the body. Feel the hips back over the heels, and then bring the knees forward in line with the hips. So you're sitting back on your heels. If it becomes a bit intense, you can always bring the weight off before coming back on, or move to any position that works for you. We'll clasp the hands, push them all the way forward, and then holding there, rounding the back, gazing down at the legs. Think about the space between the shoulder blades, pressing back behind you. And then on your next inhale, bring the arms above the head. Think about lower ribs drawing in, but pushing up through the palms and elbows, squeezing together towards the ears. And then slow to release the arms down and wide. Your left hand or fingertips just touch back behind you, so diagonally behind and to the side of the hips. The right arm reaches up to the sky, and maybe that's enough and you hold there. Or if it feels good to you, you can squeeze the glutes, lift the hips, and you might need to adjust where the hand is to make that feel good in your body. We're all so different. You'll need slight adjustments to make it work for you. And then slowly back down and swap over to the other side. Again, hand touches down, sweep the arm up and back. Squeeze the glutes, lift the hips. And then slowly back down. Good, we're going to shift our weight forward so we can tuck the toes under. And I quite often find that the little toe gets almost sort of stuck out to the side, so you can just draw that back underneath so that the little toes are tucked under as well. And then you're just leaning the weight back into your heels so the soles of your feet get a stretch. You can even think about the middle of the back rounding again. And then on your next inhale, elbows go back and you lift the chest forward. Think about lower ribs still staying in, but the chest and the chin reach forward. Fingertips come forward, back rounds. Feel a bit more weight into the feet. And inhale, chest forward as the elbows come back. Exhale to round. And inhale to lift forward. And you might be feeling it really intense now in the feet. Obviously taking the weight off if you need to. Holding 2, 1, and then forward to all fours. Release the toes, give the feet a little shake, and then allow the shoulders to move side to side. And then the hips can circle around as well. Good. Spread the fingers, tuck your toes, lift your hips, come to down dog. Lift one foot, shake it out. And then lift the other leg. And again, give it a little shake out. And then we'll pedal the heels, walk on the spot. Really send those sit bones up high. Inhale forward to a straight arm plank. Lower your knees, elbows tucked in, lower your chest. And then we'll float the hands off the ground. Inhale, lift the upper body and the legs together. Exhale, release. Inhale to lift. Exhale, release. And then peeling back to cobra, rolling the shoulders back, lifting the chest and the chin. And then release down. Tuck your toes, come back to downward facing dog. Take a few nice deep breaths in your down dog. Again, think about those sit bones lifting up high to the sky. And then we'll lower the knees down. Bring the hips back. Bring the hands wide and claw the fingertips. And then you're going to hang the hips back and rest down your forehead. You might walk the fingertips forward to get a little bit deeper in the stretch. So you really want to feel that big hanging stretch from your fingertips all the way to the lower back. And then we'll fold the forearms over. Rest your forehead to your forearms. Feel the hips heavy and back over your heels. Just staying resting here. Again, feel the breath into your belly. Breathe in and out through your nose. Forehead heavy, back of the neck relaxed. Just knowing there's no rush to go anywhere. If your mind starts to wander, keep bringing your attention back into your breath. Then either staying down kneeling, and you can stay there for as long as you like, or even come to a lying down shavasana, or when you're ready to finish, just coming to sit back up. Maybe give yourself a little hug or a squeeze, say thank you to your body, ready for the rest of your day.